So we have a harmonic progression and its P-it, Q-it and an R-it term are given as A, B and C. We need to determine the value of the following expression. So let us begin. So let us begin by considering an arithmetic progression whose first term and the common difference is known. So let the first term and the common difference of an arithmetic progression be A1 and D respectively. Now in a problem it's given the P-it term of the harmonic progression having a value A. Now, we can also state that the P-it term of the arithmetic progression will be simply the reciprocal of the P-it term of the harmonic progression. Now, how do we define the P-it term of the AP? So that's going to be the first term plus P minus 1 times the common difference D. The first term is A1 equals to 1 over A. So let's label this as number 1. Then we have the Q-it term of the HP with a value equals to B. So that means the Q-it term of the arithmetic progression will be 1 over B, such that we have A plus Q A1 plus Q minus 1 times the common difference D equals to 1 over B. Let this be equation number 2. And then we have the R-it term also provided to us. So the R-it term of the harmonic progression that's given as C. So the R-it term of the corresponding arithmetic progression will be 1 over C, such that the R-it term of the AP is given by A1 plus R minus 1 times the common difference D equals to 1 over C. So let this be number 2. Fine. So we'll use equation number 1, 2 and 3 to find out the value of the given expression. So we need to use equation 1, 2 and 3 to find out the value of the given expression. So let's do one thing. First we will take equation number 2 and from it we are going to subtract equation number 3 such that we get Q minus 1 times D minus R minus 1 times D. So this will be equals to 1 over B minus 1 over C. So we get Q minus R multiplied to D. So this will be equals to C minus B divided by BC. Fine. Let's do one thing. Let's cross multiply. So we get BC times Q minus R. So this will be equals to C minus B divided by D. Well, we're going to label this as number 4. Fine. Next, what we'll do, we'll take equation number 3. And then from here, we are going to subtract equation number 1 such that we get R minus B multiplied to D. This will be equals to 1 over C minus 1 over A. That means we will have CA multiplied to R minus B. So this will be equals to A minus C over D. And then we're going to do 1 minus 2. And this is going to give us AB multiplied to P minus Q equals to AB minus A divided by D. So let this be number 5 and let this be number 6. So we're going to add equation 4. We'll start with equation number 4, add it with 5 and then with 6 such that we get C minus B over D added to A minus C over D plus B minus A over D. So when you sum it up, it gives us a value equals to 0. So that means the value of the given expression is going to be equals to 0. So this is the final value.